Hi class, and welcome to week 10 of HSA 4124. This week we'll be learning about Japan's healthcare system. So you'll be responsible for reading chapter 6. We'll be touching on Japan's healthcare system, how it emerged, as well as the incidence and prevalence rates of different diseases in the country. We'll also be looking at the top 10 diseases found in Japan. We'll look at how Japan's healthcare structure was structured, financed, as well as accessed. So other than the reading assignment, you do have a quiz that is due this week. The link will be open to you from Monday, July 18th through July 22nd, Sunday. You'll also have a discussion board post on the Health Leads organization. And the discussion board forum link will be found in this week's content folder. So now I'm going to scroll through this week's content folder and just briefly describe to you the materials and links provided to you for this week. All right, so let's get started. First is the link for quiz 3. And this quiz will be covering chapters 6, 8, and 9. It is multiple choice, 20 questions. Below that is a link to the PowerPoint presentation that goes along with Japan's healthcare system. Below that is a video that just talks about Japan's healthcare system. And then here is a video, it's a TED Talk by Rebecca Oni, and she's actually the founder of the Health Leads organization, which is what your discussion board assignment's going to be about. So you'll be viewing this video, and then you will post your assignment through the discussion board forum link, which is right here. You'll be creating a new thread, and you'll make sure to answer the questions here. You can also research the Health Leads organization. There's articles on it, so you could be a little more familiar with the organization before going ahead and answering the questions. I do want to point out that one of the questions touches on the Anderson model that's titled Behavioral Model for Vulnerable Populations. You will need to research this model, get briefly acquainted with it in order to answer the question regarding this model in relevance to the Health Leads organization. All right, and again, the post has to be at least 500 words. If you do read the articles on Health Leads, make sure you reference your sources at the end of your post. And that pretty much covers it for this week. Here's the weekly checklist. I forgot to add the discussion board, so that'll be something that'll be added in that checklist. So make sure that you complete your quiz and discussion board post. And remember, you do need to post 2 replies to your fellow classmates' posts. And make sure to read the chapter on Japan's healthcare system. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to let me know. That's what I'm here for. Take care, everyone. Bye.